Road network density connections in terms of links directness is connectivity, which determines locational connections with each other by observing through a series of nodes and edges for a particular spatial transportation network. The alpha index of connectivity is a criteria of evaluative measurement to compute number of cycles with respect to maximum possible number of cycles in the graph. The value for a completely connected network indicated by a value of 1. The higher the value, the more is the connectivity, that being simply as number of network circuits to the maximum possible achievable. The alpha index equal u by 2v minus 5, where u being maximum number of independent cycles equals to ev+p, where v is nodes, e is links, and p being subgraphs. The beta index is calculated by evaluating the ratio of total number of areas happens to be number of links e to that of total number of nodes v in that network. The gamma index is the measurement of number of edges divided by maximum possible number in a planar network, denoting the relationship for observed links magnitude to that of possible number of links in that network. The gamma index varies through 0 to 1 depending upon the network connectivity. For planar graph, gamma index E3V2, and for non-planar EV+1/2, where E is edges or links and V being nodes. The eta index is the calculation of average length for that of a particular link that increases by minimizing certain nodes as the average length increases. While substituting new nodes, the eta index gets reduced due to average length per link decreases. The symbol distance matrix, pertaining to be having shortest paths among the nodes of a particular network, comparable to the diameter, is the measurement of accessibility for shortest paths linking every nodes. Also called as symbol index, nodal accessibility, or nodality, whose inverse is distance centrality or closeness centrality. The detour index is the length of longest roamable paths, called as detour distances among unordered vertices pairs of a graph. The pi index is calculated by evaluating the ratio of vertical axis diameter to that of horizontal axis network length. The higher the value, the more being considered the network development meshing. Pi index is relationship between total length of the graph to the distance along its diameter. The iota index is the ratio of total length of network and its total traffic weighted vertices. Lower the iota, more efficient being the network. Cyclomatic number is the difference between edges and vertices number in general, as equals to ev+p, where e is the number of edges and v is the vertices number, and p being number of subgraphs happens to be 1 in general circumstances. Theta index being average traffic per intersection of vertex node.